Okay, you can verify the zeros of the function, this function, any function, by using a graph and finding where the graph touches the crosses the x-axis. This is what we talked about in class. I'm going to show you why that is in the next slide. Okay, because basically what you're saying is, what values does this x value need to take in order to result in y equals 0? This number, this number equaling 0 is what they're talking about when they say the zeros of the function. So if the whole thing equals 0, that means y is 0. And where is y equal to 0? On the on the x-axis. And watch this next slide. I actually went to Desmos and I embedded this exact graph and I highlighted the points where it crosses. Remember what I said. The places where it crosses the x-axis will have 0 for, okay? There's the graph, there's the function graphed, and those places where it crosses the x-axis right there has 0 for y, 0 for y. Those 2 points, because, and again, I've said this so many times, I'm like, it's a little exhausting, but the coordinates of any point are how far you first go left or right, that's the x-coordinate, and then next, how far you go up or down. So if you go over to this point and you don't go up or down, meaning you're still on the x-axis, then you have 0 units you've gone up or down. Y has to be 0 in order for you to not have gone up or down anything after going left or right. Okay, so the zeros of the function are the places where y is 0, and where is y 0? Well, whenever you set the equation equal to 0, you're saying that there's values for x that will make the whole thing 0, and you can solve for those. And that's what they are. So there you go.